Craig and Tanya, this is the type of thing we expected back in 1955, not 2015. But Fifth Third Bank has just agreed to pay $18 million to settle claims that it treated African Americans and Hispanics unfairly when it came to car loans. When you buy a car, you assume your loan rate is based on your credit score, not your skin color. But Cincinnati's largest bank is accused of discriminating against African Americans and Hispanics when it came to the interest rate they had to pay.
At first blush, I was absolutely surprised. I was startled. I was aghast.
Donna Jones-Baker of the Cincinnati Urban League says discriminatory lending was outlawed decades ago. Other community leaders, however, say they still see it.
It's not anything new.
Sean Ruggles is president of Cincinnati's African American Chamber of Commerce.
So it's not a new practice. As a matter of fact, the term that they use is called redlining. And so that's been a practice that's been in America for decades. And
the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau claims Fifth Third charged minority borrowers slightly higher rates than white borrowers, resulting in them paying $200 more for a car loan. The bank would not agree to an interview with us, but in a statement said Fifth Third strongly opposes any type of discrimination and has for years monitored for and taken steps to avoid any potential discrimination in its auto finance business as well as other areas. Donna Baker of the Urban League says she's just glad someone in Washington is now looking out for the little guy.
We are all happy about the fact that there are checks and balances, that there are systems in place to catch patterns and practices of discrimination.
Now, if you feel you may have been a victim of loan discrimination, there's nothing to do at this point in this case. The settlement still has to be approved, and after that, Fifth Third should send out refund checks. You can read much more about this settlement on WCPO.com.